spray foam around the weed hatch. I don't think it's ever a good idea, the way that it draws up water behind it. Already had to do the hatch itself. So let's take it off and see what's happening behind there. Okay, this is probably going to be a bit difficult to film one-handed, but let's give this a go and see what's happening under here. As you can see, it's well bonded. No major disasters, but where the spray foam had failed, you know, it has started to attack the steel. You see evidence of rust and things on the reverse there. It seems to be where the spray foam was very skinny, and spray foam, a bit of surface rust. So really I'm quite glad to along the back of the weed hatch rim, I can see some evidence of rust, and the spray foam was sort of inhibiting getting the weed hatch out. So I'm just going to take about an inch above it off and see what we've got there. Trying to film one-handed is not easy. Let's give this a go. So yes, again you can see it's where the spray foam is quite small, and it's not too bad. It definitely needs to come off. So obviously rust treat it and take it from there. Well, I've had the angle grinder on the go, and I must say I think we got it in time. It's not too bad at all, but I think my conclusion is keep spray foam away from areas where there's water. Well, we've treated the rust, we let the rust killer dry and applied a layer of red lead and trimmed the spray foam back, so I think it looks a bit neater. I'm not going to carry the red lead down the sides of the weed hatch because it seems to have some bitumen on it, so don't want to compromise that. And of course, while we're down here, it seems to make sense to actually clean the scupper channels out for the winter on the hatch lid. And of course also it's good practice while you're down there, check the condition of the hatch tape. Mine seems okay. But next time she's out of the water, I will get a little plate welded on the top where the screw down mechanism for the weed hatch goes. There's just a little bit of wear there.